Hello, we are the Honors Biology class at Brockport Christian Academy, Hagerstown, Maryland, United States of America, and this is our presentation, The Case of the Disappearing Honeybees. In this presentation, we will be showing you why bees are important, why they are disappearing, and how we can help.
Why are honeybees important? Honeybees are among the most numerous and efficient pollinator species in the world. The average honeybee can visit more than 2,000 flowers in one day. These bees greatly increase the chances of a plant producing a fruit or a vegetable. Honeybees are the species most commonly used as commercial pollinators in the U.S. They are managed and used to pollinate over 100 crops grown in North America and contribute to $15 billion to the U.S. economy every year. Many crops such as almonds, which contribute $4.8 billion to the U.S. industry each year, rely on honeybees for more than 90% of their pollination. Honeybees don't only pollinate crops, they also can pollinate wild and native plants, thus contributing to all the environmental and social benefits to pollinators in general.
Now we'll just take a little bit of time to explain the process of pollination. So first, the honeybee lands on the anther, and this is where the pollen is stored. The pollen then will stick to the lower part of the bee's legs. Then the bee will carry the pollen to the stigma, which then travels down the style into the ovary and fertilizes the ovules. This is the process of pollination.
Why are the bees disappearing? Pesticides, fertilizers, parasites, biodiversity loss, deforestation, changes in land use, habitat destruction, varroa diseases, invasive species, colony collapse disorder. Pesticides' effects on bees. Some pesticides are not strong enough to kill bees themselves, but bees can still have an adverse effect on their neurological systems. According to Woodland Trust, the pesticides are meant to kill ants, are sprayed on plants, then absorbed into bees' bodies when they are pollinating plants. This can lead to neurodegenerative effects, developmental problems, and even colony collapse disorder. What is colony collapse disorder? The EPA says that none of the main causes of a bee's disappearance is a phenomenon known as colony collapse disorder, or CCD. The result of CCD is a hive unable to sustain itself because there are not enough worker bees. The hive dies from inside out until the queen is only one left. CCD has many causes, but some include poor nutrition, mite infestations, exposure to pesticides, stress, and viral infections. Are bees disappearing all over the world? Researchers behind the February 2019 study found that bees in UK, Denmark, and North America are declining.
Here are ways we can help save the honeybees. First off, you want to put the sprays away because they are neurotoxic to bees, meaning they will kill the bees. Next up, you want to plant bee-friendly flowers like willows and geraniums. Next, after that, don't step on the flowers or spray harmful things or step on the bee itself. And then after that, you want to provide an oasis, so like a bowl of water so the bees can drink. And those are 4 ways we can help.
Proverbs 24:13 says, "Eat honey, my son, for it is good. Honey from the comb is sweet to your taste." We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Here are the responsibilities we shared. Talitha Camp was a leader, our researcher, and narrator. Abigail Drier was our researcher, artist, and narrator. Gracelynn Wagoner was our researcher, narrator, and our editor. Vinnie Mazzola was our researcher and narrator. Tiki Koontz was our PowerPoint composer and narrator. Here are the sources we used.